Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
So, with all the new villains that the Scarlet Speedster will have to battle on a weekly basis, a more permanent replacement needs to be found, and there is only one person who comes to mind: Hartley Rathaway, aka Pied Piper.
Take our lead.
On Tuesday, the network unveiled its fall 2021 schedule via TV Line, and confirmed The Flash will return on Tuesday, November 16th at 8 p.m. It will be followed by Riverdale Season 5. Fellow Arrowverse shows Batwoman and Legends of Tomorrow will return in October. The Flash was renewed for Season 8 earlier this year.
Take our lead.
As Jessica Parker Kennedy's Nora West Allen, aka XS, is officially returning to the Arrowverse in The Flash Season 7, the show will be able to do her very differently post-Crisis on Infinite Earths.
Let's help you make your mark.
Carlos Valdez. Streaming options. After 6.5 seasons of naming bad guys, making geeky pop cultural references, and providing stellar technical support and good vibes to Team Flash, original cast member Carlos Valdez is leaving The Flash in Tuesday night's episode.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.